Good day, everyone. So here I present to you the financial report of Ka Merchandising. So the name of the business is Ka Merchandising. This business owned by Miss Ramos. This business sells the equipment and school supplies. So the Miss Ramos invested 40,000 pesos. So the first statement is the statement of financial performance. This statement shows if the business is net profit or net loss. So as you can see, I use account sales. So sales is 168,000 less sales return and allowances 202,800 and sales discount is 3,020 pesos. And the net sales is 162,180 pesos. And less cost of sales, 26,430 pesos. And the gross profit is 135,750 pesos. So less the operating expenses, salaries, utilities, and rent expenses, and also paid out. So the total of net profit is 100,450 pesos. Second one is the statement of equity. This statement shows the report of the changes in the company equity. The changes that are generally reflected in the equity statement includes earned profits, dividends, inflows of equity, withdrawals, and the net loss, and so on. So as you can see in the statement of the equity, Ms. Ramos' capital beginning is 40,000, less her withdrawal 2,000, and the net profit is 101,450. And the total of the owner's capital from October 30, 2020 is the total of 139,450 pesos. Third statement is the statement of financial position. This statement shows the financial balances of the business. This balance sheet has three sides: the asset, liabilities, and the owner's equity. So as you can see in the financial position, in the current asset, we have cash and cash equivalent is 148,950. The receivables is 0. The inventories is 10,000. Prepaid expenses is 5,000. And the non-current asset is plant and property equipment is 13,000. And the total asset is 176,950 pesos. In the current liabilities, account payable is 27,500, and in the non-current liabilities, notes payable is 10,000. And the owner's capital, Ms. Ramos' capital, is 139,450. So, the total liability and capital is 176,950 pesos. So, the total asset and the total liability and capital is balanced. Statement is cash flow, also known as statement of cash flow. This show how changes in balance sheet accounts and income affect cash and cash equivalent. So, the cash flow from operating activities is cash received from sales is 15,000, receivable is 147,980 pesos. Refund from purchases is 0. In the payment for supplies is 0. Rate on goods sold is 13,230 pesos. Goods bought is 13,500 pesos. Operating expenses is 33,000 pesos. Refund to customer is 800. In rate on good purchases is 0. So, net cash from the operating activities is the total of 102,450 pesos. Equipment bought is 0. Cash flow from financing activities are initial investment 40,000, borrowed or Miss Ramos withdrawal is 10,000, and the drawing is 2,000. Net cash flow from financing activities is total of 48,000. Increase of cash and cash equivalent is total of 150,450 pesos. And the cash and cash equivalent for October 30, 2020 is 150,450 pesos. And that's my video presentation in financial report.